Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video topic is algebra. In algebra, as you know that we use letters from A to Z to generalize the result, or to represent any unknown quantity, we use any letter from A to Z, and those letters are known as literals. Okay, and along with literals we use numbers also and signs also. Signs means all the arithmetic operation signs like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so this is just the basics of algebra. In this we will learn that how to write following using literals, numbers and signs. These are only few examples. After this I will write few more examples. So let's start. First is 6 less than x. So the meaning of less than means we will use the symbol of minus. Okay, so first we will write x and it is 6 less than x minus 6. So answer will be x minus 6. Next, a is added to 9. Added means the symbol of plus will come. A, write a plus what we have to add? 9. So the answer will be a plus 9. Next is x less than the sum of y and 5. So x less than means we will use the symbol of minus. Then the sum of y and 5. Sum is plus. We will add these two. Then we will subtract x from it. So first do this one, y plus 5. Okay, close this in bracket and do minus x. So this will be y plus 5 minus x. Next, 5 times a. So for times, which symbol we will use? Symbol of multiplication. 5 times a added 2 plus 3 times b. Okay. So 5 times a, write 5a. No need to put the sign of multiplication in between these two. 5 multiplied by a, we will get 5a plus similarly 3 times b. So it will be 3b. So the answer will be 5a plus 3b. Next, it is quotient of a by b. So quotient means we will use the symbol of division. So a by b, we will represent it as a upon b. So just write here a by b is added to, symbol of plus will come, to the product of a and b. So product means the sign of multiplication. So we will put the sign of plus. Then the product of a and b will be ab. So write ab. Answer will be a upon b plus ab. Okay. Next, 8 times x. 8x is decreased means is getting subtracted from what? 10 times y, 10y. So first we will write this one, 10 times y, we will get 10y. Okay, from this we have to subtract 8 times x, means minus 8x. So always remember that whatever is given after from that you have to subtract. Don't write it as 8x minus 10y. It can be wrong. Next is, my age is x years. Okay, here age is getting represented by the literal x. My father's age is 3 years less than 4 times my age. So it is, what is the age? X. What is my father's age? So it is 3 years less than 4 times my age, means 4x. 4 times x is 4x and 3 years less than. From this we will subtract 3 So this will be the age of fathers. Okay, so the father's age will be 4x minus 3. Now let's write some another examples. Now the next question is quotient of x by 6 is added to y. So quotient of x by 6 we will write as x by 6, x upon 6 is added to y. Put the symbol of plus and write y. So answer will be x by 6 plus y. Next, the product of x and 4. Product of x and 4 will be 4x is subtracted from the sum of y and 7. So first we will write this one, sum of y and 7. So simply write y plus 7. Put the bracket. Okay, and from this what we have to subtract? Put the sign of minus. We have to subtract the product of 4 and x, that is 4x. So answer will be y plus 7 minus 4x. Next is 3 times x. 3x is divided by. So you can put the symbol of division or you can just simply write in the form of upon. Okay, so 3 times x we can write as 3x is divided by 2 times y. Is divided by 2 times y. Okay, you can write like this or you can write like 3 times x is divided by 2 times y. Okay, by both the ways you can write, it will be correct. Next is when the product of 6 and m, the product will be 6m is added to. What we have to add? To twice n, means twice n, 2n. So first write this product of 6 and m, 6m, add twice n means 2n. The result is q. We are getting the result here. So here we will form the equation 6m plus 2n and it will be equal to q. Here the result is given, means the sign of equal to will come. Okay. Next is 1/4 of x. Simply just write it x by 4 or we can write 1 by 4 multiplied by x. So the answer will be same, x by 4 is multiplied by the sign of multiplication twice the sum of y and z. So we have to multiply it by twice, write 2 the sum of y and z, y plus z. Okay, we can cut this 2 times, it is 1 and 2. So what we will get? X by 2 in bracket y plus z. Okay, by another way, how can we write it? Half of x, 1 by 2, x, put the bracket y plus z. You can leave it here also, it will be correct. You can leave it here also and this will also be correct. If you will not cut it, then also it will be correct. Okay, so I hope that now you learned that how to write these type of questions using literals, numbers and signs. Okay, see you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thanks for watching.